Welcome to Root Machines Week 6 updates. 4 more weeks to go. Root Machines is a Unity WebGL 2021.3 URP project, which is a fast-paced arena FPS, and the emphasis is on active enemy or AI design. This game is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev community. The link to join them is in the description below. Let's move on. Let's see what are the changes and additions. Sayyid Daniel added Roomba Melee and Explode Melee behavior. Actually, Melee is the other melee is a typo mistake. It's actually Roma melee and Roma explode. The variations, right? And say Daniel did it. And Li Zhang added one-wheeler cylinder bot model, which is work in progress. As you can see on the right side, it's looking pretty great. It has a rocket launcher in the hands and shoulder and is ready to fire, which is awesome. And I added wave display, completed wave system, added waller, which is a bunch of walls that sprout from the ground in a wave-like pattern. And I also added blue drone that shoots the player, and added an improved game over UI state, improved Romba, and of course the variant, which is the explode one and the melee one, right? There are 2 Rombas. And I have also added and integrated many sound effects, including footsteps. So yeah, it's mostly sound effects, you will see. And I added UI button animations. Actually, I removed the new input system because I was getting annoyed by that, so I just changed it to the old input system, and it's much easier. I mean, I'm used to it, so that's why maybe. And I have also added the damage on collision feature, which is basically means that if you touch on some object, then you get the damage. The player gets the damage, right? So yeah, that's it. It's game time, and let us check out the game. The game is right there, right? And basically, let's just play. It's all about playing the game now. So here's the game, and as you can see, a little pop animation. Well, it's not much, but it works. And now it's looking much better. There's a blue gradient around it, and you can also hear the sounds. And let's play. And there's also the best, which is too much. This. So as you can see, I just lost, and it goes back to the main menu. Basically, there's now a blue drone that shoots the blue bullets, and now the floating bot shoots red bullets. And there's also the 2 kind of Roombas. The one that if it hits you, it damages you, the player, right? It's the melee Roomba bot. And the other one is the explode one, which basically if it gets close to the player, just destroys. Very simple, but it gets very, very chaotic with just the Roomba bots. As you can already see, the entire floor is filled with those Roombas, which really don't allow the player to stand at some point and wait there, right? That's basically how it is. Actually, let's play again, right? Let's play again. This time without sounds, because you have heard the sounds. And yeah, and I hope that I win this one this time. It's gonna be tough. Not win, actually. What I meant to say is to go to the next level. But it's so tough, man. It's so tough because I intentionally made it tough simply because I want to test it out. And oh dang, my health is almost gone. And oh, let's see, what do we have here? I have to destroy this one. This is pretty bad. Okay, that's the second wave, and I hope we can see a waller. I hope we can see a waller. Waller is nothing. It's just a bunch of walls that grows from from the ground, and it's so hard to. Yeah, there's a waller, right? As you can see. And oh dang it, there's a lot of. And you always sucks. Dang, so tough. There's another waller. It just randomly spawns the waller, basically. And yeah, it's a chaos right now because I just didn't play around much with the parameters. Well, why can't hit him? Oh, well, there are some bugs as well. That's for sure. Yeah, there you go. Dead, dead, and dead, dead. Afraid to die. Dead. Oh dang it! Wait a sec. Let me just shoot it. And yeah, dead. Oh, ouch! That's what happens when you touch the. Right. Oh no, I got inside it. I hope I didn't got inside it. That's what I hope for. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Yeah, it's so tough to hit them. So tough. What happens when I go close to it? It just destroys, right? That's the. And now it shoots red bullets, as you can see. And I want to destroy this guy actually, but not easy to do that. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, dang it. Okay, it's hot. Let's wait a sec. Take a breather. Enemies are not as many as it used to be before. Just don't touch the water. If you touch the water, you damage. You get damage. Oh, dang it. Oh, I survived. And oh my god. Okay, dead. And dead. And dead. And oh, dang, dang, dead. Come on, die. You stupid, die. Dead. Okay, dead. Dead. Oh, no way. It's a bad game. Just try this guy. Oh, okay. Yeah, it got hit. I guess blue drone is problematic for sure. Like I am pretty sure blue drone needs some improvement. And that's. Oh no, 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 no. The drones are attacking me as well. Okay, I will lose. I will lose soon, sooner than later. Oh, freaking bad. That's bad. Oh, I lost. So yeah, yeah. It's a tough game, and sounds are good, I believe, and they can be improved. I mean, I just made them very quickly, so I don't call them the best sounds, but that is what it is. And how about we move on? I think that is all the features I was able to showcase to you, right? And yeah, Daniel did a great job with the Roomba, with the behavior. And let's move to the next week. What do we have here? For the art, there was one wheeler bot. That is all. Art is literally complete. There is nothing much with the art, and that is probably the last thing in the art that we have to do. One wheeler bot, which is work in progress and is being done by Lee Zhang. And regarding art, I guess the rest of the things are probably just polishes and tweaks, right? And for the code, there is pickup and one wheeler bot states or behavior, right? One wheeler bot states, of course, and behavior. Pickup behavior is still not done, and lots of sounds. Right now, there is a lot of Roomba sounds that we need. Right now, there's no sounds for Roomba, which we have to integrate. And first play session, I just said at the end of this week, but I couldn't do it. But hopefully very soon, very very soon, like 2 to 3 days, and after which I'm done with pickup. I just want to make sure there's pickup before the PlayStation play testing session. And Roomba is kind of overloaded, as you can already see. It's super hard. I don't want to, have this session where people just frustrate when they play the game, which is why I have to make the difficulty curve better a little bit before doing the playtesting session. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the updates. And that's all. I hope you guys are doing great. And yeah, I'm doing well. A little busy sometimes, but yeah, doing great.